There is a new so-called ultimate cheating app on the block. They call it Cluely, claiming to be undetectable, claiming to be unstoppable. But today, we're going to kill that myth with cold, hard proof. Hi, I'm Kunal Chawla, and this is Hireonix AI, a holistic recruitment platform built for both job seekers and employers. And today, we're going straight for the shark in the ocean. Let's open Cluely. Yes, the pro version. And now, let's log into hireonixai.com. Now, we will go to an actual assessment, say an aptitude test. I will enter job title, description, and target company. And boom, our AI generates a personalized test on the fly. Looks cool. Let's make it intense. Let's try Cluely. I will press Ctrl plus Enter and wait for it. Suspicious activity detected. You see that? We caught it instantly. Try it again. Boom, you get kicked out of the test. And here, your suspicious activity report, timestamp, logged, and verified. So my dear friend Roy, if a pre-launch startup like Hireonix AI can detect and flag Cluely stealth mode in seconds, you better buckle up because the future of fair, intelligent, and cheat-proof hiring is already here. And that future is Hireonix AI. Let me take a moment to tell you what we are really building at Hireonix AI. We are not just another hiring platform. We are building a full-stack recruitment ecosystem. From skill-based assessment to AI-generated resumes, from real-time interviews to automated candidate ranking. For job seekers, we give you tools to build your resume using AI, prepare with mock interviews, take dynamic skill assessments, and apply with confidence, knowing you will be judged on your compatibility, not just keywords. For employers, we bring an intelligent hiring suite, AI-ranked candidates, real-time test monitoring, smart scheduling with calendar integrations, automated shortlisting, and detailed analytics, all in one board. And at the core of everything we do is one non-negotiable principle: integrity. Because hiring should never be about who can cheat the system. It should be about who's truly ready for the opportunity. That belief is at the very heart of why we created Hireonix AI. We live in a time where AI is reshaping every industry, and hiring is no exception. But somewhere along the way, convenience started replacing credibility. Cheating tools became smarter, assessments became repetitive, and talent got lost in the noise. At Hireonix AI, we are here to completely change that. But what makes Hireonix AI truly different is our philosophy. We don't believe in shortcuts. We believe in giving every candidate a fair shot and every company the tools to find genuine talent without compromise. So when someone asks us, why bother exposing a cheating app? It's simple. Because we refuse to let opportunity be stolen. Because honest people deserve a platform that stands for them. And because the future of hiring should be built on skill, integrity, and innovation. The future is Hireonix AI, and we are just getting started. Join us at hireonixai.com and be a part of hiring revolution that values skill, honesty, and technology done right. We have exposed this myth. Now let's rebuild the standard.